In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up your Oyster account quickly and easily. By the end of this guide, you'll have your account up and running in no time, so stay tuned. Now, if you're looking to get started with Oyster for free, you're in luck. I've got an exclusive deal for you. Check out the first link below to get access to Oyster with some amazing bonuses. Alright, let's dive right into setting up your Oyster account. The first step is heading to the Oyster website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Keep in mind, your password should be strong, with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. You'll want to make sure your account is secure from the start. Once you've signed up, you'll receive a confirmation email. Open that email and click the verification link to activate your account. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Now that your email is verified, you can log into your account. The dashboard will appear, and from here, you'll be able to customize your profile. The first thing you'll want to do is fill out your profile details. Add your company information, including your business name, address, and contact details. This is key to making sure everything is aligned with your Oyster account. Next, you'll be asked to select the type of account you need. Oyster caters to different needs, from individual freelancers to larger companies managing teams. Make sure you choose the option that best fits your business. Once you've made your selection, you'll be able to access the relevant features for your account type. One of the most useful features of Oyster is setting up your payment details. This is where you'll enter your payment method to be billed for any premium services or subscriptions you opt into. Don't worry, if you're just starting out, you can use the basic plan to explore Oyster for free, but adding payment details now will make the transition smoother when you want to upgrade later. After setting up your payment details, it's time to integrate Oyster with other tools you might be using. If you're running a business, you'll want to connect Oyster with your existing software, whether it's accounting, project management, or communication platforms. It's all about streamlining your processes and making sure everything works together seamlessly. Oyster also allows you to set up team members, so if you're collaborating with others, you can invite them to join your account. This is great for businesses that need to manage multiple users under the same account. You'll have full control over permissions, deciding who can access specific features and data within the system. Now that your account is set up, let's talk about the dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything from projects to communications. It's important to take a quick tour of all the features here so you can familiarize yourself with the interface. I recommend spending a few minutes exploring the dashboard to see where everything is located and how it's all organized. Oyster has a robust support system, so if you ever get stuck or need help, you can easily access the Help Center from the dashboard. They offer a variety of resources, including articles, video tutorials, and live chat support. By the end of this setup, you'll have a fully functioning Oyster account. But remember, you don't have to rush through this. Take your time and customize everything according to your business's needs. Before I wrap up, don't forget that you can use Oyster for free with my exclusive offer by clicking the first link in the description below. With the bonus offers included, you're going to get the best deal possible. And as I mentioned earlier, this video has been brought to you with an extended free trial to Oyster, so you can really explore everything it has to offer. Thanks for watching, and happy setting up your Oyster account.